Welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I will show you how you can watermark any text on any PDF. If you want your PDF to have a text watermark, then you can use a free online editing software like I Love PDF. It is a free tool which can help you perform a variety of operations for your PDF file. It is one of the most easiest methods to add a watermark into your PDF. So let's see how to do that. First, open any browser of your choice and in the search menu type for I Love PDF. Then you need to click on this site right here. Then once you are in the home page, you need to scroll down and click on the watermark button. Then once you are inside this page, you can see the prompt to select the particular PDF file in which you want to have the watermark. Then you need to select the PDF in which you want the watermark. Then once you have done that, you can see that the operations window appear right here. Here you can type the text that you want to appear as a watermark. For example, I will be typing confidential. Then you need to select the text format. You can choose any font of your specific requirements, or if the size of your text, and also other characteristics like the text should be bold, italic, underlined, or the color of the text. For example, I will go with the underline option and let the color be, for example, red. Then once you have done this, you can choose the position of the watermark. I am doing it currently in the middle. The red dot represents the position of the text that will appear in the page. Then there are other effects like transparency, rotation. For example, you can give your watermark a transparency effect. For example, let's say 75%. Then there is also a rotation, which I will be rotating it to say 45 degrees. And also you can choose the page numbers on which this watermark should appear. Then the other option and the final option is the layer of the watermark. If you want the watermark to be over the PDF content, then choose this option, or if you want the watermark to be below the PDF content, choose this option. I am going with the below option. Then once you have successfully set all the requirements and criteria for your text watermark, you need to click on the Add Watermark button. Simply click on this button and let the process get finished. Then once the PDF has been stamped, you can simply click on the download PDF with watermark and it will be downloaded. Simply open it and here you can see that now the PDF file contains the watermark which was initially not present in the PDF. So that's it for this video. If you like this video, make sure to hit the like button as well. Comment on this video, share it, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.